Now, let's look at vulnerabilities for S7 CPUs. Siemens called them SIMATIC S7. In T3000, they are called automation processors. Let's look on two red market vulnerabilities that can cause a power station trip by one simple command. It's as simple as sending few packets to port 102. Even an inexperienced hacker can make a script in few minutes. During the investigation, we find many vulnerabilities of S7 components. Some of these vulnerabilities might allow attacker to stop power station with simple script running on a Raspberry Pi for $10. The vulnerabilities are nicely summarized in those links below.